Oh, my darling, I've hunged for your touch. Oh no. I need real ones to stay around. Never shut me down.
Hello guys, hello everybody. I know it's been a minute. Let me turn down the volume first. I know it's been a minute and I missed you guys so much, like so much. I've actually realized when I was editing my videos, my vlog, when I was editing my vlog, I missed to do an intro and an outro. So this is going to be my intro. My name is Grace Tatu, but here we go by I am Tagra. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to my channel. So glad to have you here, and grab a seat. And also, if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for being here and keeping up with me, keeping up with moi. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. By the title itself, it's gonna tell you why I have been on and off. So stick around until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave your comment, because I missed you so much and I want to interact with y'all. Anyway, have a great day, night, morning, whatever time suits you and whatever time you're watching this video. I hope that you enjoy this video.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Feel inside, too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
So this is everything that I got in China Village. Yeah, I got masks here. I got this for my sister. Also, this is for her. And this fan, you know. And if you know me, you know I love me some noodles. So I got this chopsticks. And then I got this sunscreen. Let me show you with a good angle. Yeah, okay.
What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? Cause I heard you do. Oh, I could fall, or I could fly. Hear me your head on plane. And I could live, I could die hanging. I could fly, hear me your head on plane. And I could live, I could die. To the words you said, and it to get my phone. Like a big, everything don't know much I can say. So don't call me baby. Oh, that's me. Don't call me baby. You so
My opponent.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my
Bobo, Cynthia Ovori. Go.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
somebody and somebody loves you. Hey guys, it's another beautiful morning. Actually, it's afternoon. Yeah, and I have some good news. Let me show you what I got. This one. Holy Land Black McQueen. If you know me, you know I've been wanting this. And I have wireless lavalier microphone. See, comes in pieces too. I opened this. I didn't open this. So let's unbox it. ASMR. Has two. That's very nice. And these layers from today you're not going to hear the noises, the background noises. So happy about this, so happy about this. So yep, we'll do the unboxing.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I brought away dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose.
OOTD. Not my OOTD, but my outfits for swimming. Disappointing. Oh my goodness. So you can say that last night I went to blow dry my hair, to heat my hair, and the way my hair looks now, oh my goodness, I will attach videos of how my hair was before, because tell me why my hair, oh my goodness, you can't tell me I heat my hair like this. Is why I don't like to heat my hair. This is why I don't like to heat my hair at all. Anyway, I am going for the wedding as a bridesmaid. First time ever being a bridesmaid. So I'm about to leave now. I'll show you the dress. Should I show you the dress, or you'll see it in the next video? I think it's better if you see it in the next video. Anyway, if you have been with me this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and stick around for more. I need to do something about my hair. I gotta do something.
I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.